Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit products on Shopify like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save hours updating multiple product details at once. No more tedious, one-by-one edits. Whether you need to quickly adjust prices, update costs, or manage inventory, this is going to make your workflow so much smoother. Let's jump right in. First, head to your Shopify admin and click on Products. This is your main hub for everything you're selling. Now, find the product you want to work with. Maybe it's a new t-shirt you just released in 5 different colors, or a mug that comes in several sizes. It doesn't matter how many variants you have. These steps will let you update all of them at once. Once you're on the product page, look for the section labeled Variants. This is where you'll see every version of your product. So, for example, each color, size, or style gets its own row. Here's where the magic happens. Click the checkbox to select all the variants you want to edit. If you're updating everything, just check the box at the top to select all at once. Don't worry if you accidentally miss one. Shopify makes it clear which variants you've got highlighted. With your variant selected, look for the Bulk Edit button. Go ahead and click that. It instantly opens up a spreadsheet-style editor. This is your power tool for making changes super efficiently. Now, pay attention to the very top right corner. You'll see a button called Columns. This is an important step that unlocks all sorts of editing possibilities. When you open it, you might feel a bit overwhelmed at first because there are a lot of options here. But trust me, it's actually super flexible and lets you customize exactly what you want to change. Here you can choose what fields you want to see and edit. Price, unit price, compare at price, cost per item, charge taxes, SKU, barcode, continue selling when out of stock, track quantity, package weight, whether it's a physical product, harmonized system code, country of origin, and quantities by location. Think of this like customizing your dashboard. Only show what matters for the update you want to make. For example, if you're preparing for a big sale, you might just want to update the compare at price. Or, if you're tracking down costs, add cost per item. Check the boxes for the information you want to add or adjust, and then hit Save. You'll see the columns update right away. For the purposes of this walkthrough, let's say you need to add the cost per item for all your variants. Just type the numbers in for each one. Don't stress if you have a lot to enter. This view makes it quick and painless. Once you've entered your changes, double-check your numbers. A second glance can save you from any typos, especially if you're adjusting prices or inventory. When you're happy with your updates, just click Save again. This part might take a few moments, especially if you made a lot of changes. So don't worry if Shopify needs a second to process. And that's it. You've just bulk edited your Shopify product variants, saving yourself loads of time and making sure your storefront is always up to date. If this video helped you out today, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips like this, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.